Namaskar. It gives me great pleasure to learn that the Veer Surendra Sai Airport in Jharsuguda, Odisha has turned 2 today. This airport was part of the central government's Udan 3 scheme. I am glad that the government was able to address the long-felt need of the people of Odisha, especially from Western Odisha. NRI brothers and sisters, particularly from UAE, also became part of this movement, and a memorandum was submitted at this consulate. Today, this airport in Jharsuguda connects the western part of Odisha, some parts of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand to the rest of the country. I am told that it is a successful airport with regular flights to Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar. Airports are harbingers of growth, and I am sure this airport will accelerate socio-economic development, improve the lives of the people, and usher in new avenues of growth for the region and its people. Namaskar.
Namaskar, my dear friends, brothers and sisters from Odisha. So exciting to learn that Veer Surendra Sai Airport in Jharsuguda is celebrating its 2nd anniversary. Personally, a proud moment for me also, because Odisha is my birthplace. Mo Rourkela mo Janmabhoomi, mo schooling, mo college, sobu seiti heichi. Jaha ki aji heichi, tara foundation was from Odisha and Rourkela. Now, as part of Lulu Group, which has operations across the globe, I know the importance of connectivity, and I'm sure this airport will do wonders to bring more prosperity, more progress, more development, and more importantly, better well-being and lifestyle for people in Odisha. We have sourcing offices across the globe, like I said, and definitely we'll also explore if we can use Jharsuguda Airport to maybe source locally grown products from Odisha to the markets across the globe and especially Middle East. I wish all the very best to everybody who's worked tirelessly behind this project and to the people of Odisha. Thank you. Dhanyabad.
Good morning. Veer Surendra Sai Airport, Jharsuguda, was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji on 22nd September 2018. This airport is about 50 kilometers from Indian Institute of Management, Sambalpur. Ever since this airport became operational and flights started operating to major cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar, Sambalpur is able to attract a lot of and also able to interact with a lot of industry professionals and also academicians from many parts of the country. In fact, in the last 1 year, that is before the COVID crisis, we could do more than 20 events at Sambalpur, which was attended by a large number of people from across the country. Our students, our industry professionals could organize many activities in the socio-culture dimensions and also in the business dimensions due to this airport. Not only this, Sambalpur is getting benefit out of this airport. I'm sure the entire Western Odisha's socio-economic development is going to get boost. This airport should increase its frequency to all the cities and also connect to major cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, and maybe in the southern belt. I'm sure in the coming time, this airport will become one of the best airport in this state.
Hi everyone, I'm Shilpa Bhatia and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at SpiceJet. We started our operations to Jharsuguda Airport on March 31st and initially connected the airports to Hyderabad, Kolkata and Delhi. Jharsuguda is an important industrial hub and is one of the biggest findings of SpiceJet under the Udan scheme, which was launched under the able leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. We are confident that the air connectivity has significantly contributed to the overall economic growth of the city, and we intend to connect Jharsuguda with many more potential airports in India and abroad in the coming days. We wish the airport team and the city of Jharsuguda all the best for the coming days.
আজি বীর সুরেন্দ্র সাই এয়ারপোর্ট ঝারସୁগুড়ার দ্বিতীয় বার্ষিকী। ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ଅନେକ ବୁଦ୍ଧିଜୀବୀ, ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟସ୍, ପଲିଟିକାଲ ଲିଡର୍ସ ଏବଂ ନାଗରିକ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଖୁସି ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଭଳି ରାଜ୍ୟ ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଏୟାରପୋର୍ଟର निहाती आवश्यक थिला। एही एयरपोर्ट ओडिशा अतिकरी पश्चिम ओडिशार प्रगति में खूब साहाय्य करिवो बोली आमर दृढ़ विश्वास। गुड GOOD ग्लोबल ओडियास फॉर ओडिशास डेवलपमेंट एक NRI एक्सपैट्रिएट ग्रुप। गुड्र समस्त मेंबर ओडिशार प्रगति पाई गुड्र मेंबर माने सदाबले अनेक उद्यम करि आछंती। एही एयरपोर्टर कनेक्टिविटी पाई आमे माने चेष्टा करिथिलु। आज हमको खुशी लगुछि जे एही एयरपोर्ट तार द्वितीय वार्षिकी पालन करछि। एही अवसर रे मु गुड तरफ समस्तंको अभिनंदन जनाउछि एवं एही एयरपोर्टर सफल कामना करछि। धन्यवाद।
झारसुगुड़ा एयरपोर्ट इज द गेटवे टू वेस्टर्न ओडिशा। खूब कम समय रे एही एयरपोर्टा 5टी सिटी को कनेक्ट हो पारि। हमर उद्यम रहिबो एही एयरपोर्ट को अनेक बेसी सिटी संगे कनेक्ट करिबा पई। आ हमर अल्टीमेट ड्रीम रही कि ए एयरपोर्ट को ओडिशार सेकेंड इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट भावरे एस्टैब्लिश करिबा। दिस एयरपोर्ट इज नॉट ओनली सर्विंग वेस्टर्न ओडिशा बट ऑल्सो सर्विंग पार्ट्स ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ झारखंड। तो ए एयरपोर्ट को बेसी कनेक्टिविटी आसिले 3टी राज्य उपकृत हेबे।